Hello everyone and Merry Christmas if you celebrate that. In this video I have done a lot of research throughout the years and put together a list of the best free photo editing softwares that are online and free. This means you can just go to the website and start editing immediately. That's quite convenient, right? So stay tuned. Now I know it can be quite hard to find the perfect free online photo editor for your needs. There are loads of photo editors out there. Photo, Ribbit, Pixlr, I don't know about that one, but that's why I've put together this list. Now on a third place we have iPiggy.com. iPiggy is quite smart. Essentially you just go to the website, press edit the photo and then open it. Then you will see on the left hand side a ton of features you can apply. I especially like the sharpness option, which is quite useful in, for an example, YouTube thumbnails. Also, what is quite special about iPiggy is that it has a lot of face related features like red eye removal, changing the eye color and a lot of other features. Now what is also quite special about this one compared to a lot of the other online free photo editors is that this one actually has a layer section, which means you can overlay images. Overall, I recommend this online free photo editor for the average user who just want almost all of the needed features in a nice compact layout and user interface. Next up is Befunky.com. And that's a funky name, right? Befunky.com is a great free online photo editor. Essentially just go to their website, press get started, then open the image you want to edit. Now one thing I really enjoy about Befunky.com is that it's so user friendly and the design is so great. It really just is an enjoyable experience using this online photo editor. Befunky pretty much has all the features you could ever need. It even supports layers. So basically just go ahead and press on computer, add the image you want to add, press add as layer, and down there in the bottom you will see that the different layers has been added and you'll be able to position them, crop them, do whatever you want with them basically. Now overall I really recommend Befunky. It is easy to use and especially if you are somewhat of an artsy person, it's great for you. And it is so user friendly, but it is not as good as the #1 spot. Next up on a first place we do have Pixlr.com. I'm not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but it doesn't matter because this photo editor is quite amazing. It is online and free and it offers the kind of functionality you would find in photo editors like Photoshop. You can do pretty much whatever you want, and while not being able to make like 3D text, which is possible in Photoshop, it actually does have a lot of advanced features. Now overall I would recommend Pixlr if you have actual experience with photo editors. If you don't, then actually Pixlr has alternatives like Pixlr Express, which is a bit outdated though, and Pixlr R, which is very simple to use and has a lot of neat features. Now I really hope this list has helped you out. But I do want to mention something. If you use Google Photos, then Google Photos actually has a built-in photo editor. If you just want to add a quick filter, maybe rotate the image or something, this is the way to go. Now thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then maybe consider leaving a like down below and maybe even consider subscribing. It's all up to you. But other than that, thank you so much for watching and peace out.